skies were in the shade of steel. The city breathes a rhythm I can't feel. I see a face in every window pane, a ghost in glass, a whisper in the rain. You speak in codes I'll never learn to crack, a cold electric current running down my back. And the bass is thumping hard against my chest, a symphony of longing and unrest. The harmonies are bending just like glass. Tell me, was there ever more than that? Chrome rainfall falling on my heart, a sweet vibration, a familiar spark. I'm chasing you through neon blue haze. Losing you is just a beautiful phase. Oh, can you feel the beat before the dawn betrays the night? Is it too late to get it right? Your words are echoes in the cold concrete. You are the question, I am the retreat. We're dancing on the edge of high design, a mechanical prayer for a soul on the line. Wear your mask of velvet and of chrome. In this tempo you are never home. Chrome rainfall falling on my heart, a sweet vibration, a familiar spark. I'm chasing you through neon blue haze. Losing you is just a beautiful phase. Oh, can you feel the beat before the dawn betrays the night? Is it too late to get it right? Can you hear the static? Can you hear it? The frequency of being alone. We're trapped in a time of our own. Chrome rainfall falling on my heart, oh, sweet vibration, a familiar spark. Oh, I'm chasing you through neon blue haze. Losing you is just a beautiful phase. Oh, can you feel the beat before the dawn betrays the night? Is it too late to get it right? Rainfall falling on my heart, a sweet vibration, familiar spot. I'm chasing you through neon blue haze. Losing you is just a beautiful phase. Oh,